If your iPad keeps turning on and off, don't panic yet. In this video, I'll show you the safest fixes first, then move to stronger steps like recovery mode only if the simple fixes don't work. Step 1. Check the charger first. Start with the easiest thing. Connect your iPad to a proper charger and leave it plugged in for at least 30 minutes. Sometimes an iPad can restart again and again when the battery is extremely low or when the charger is not giving stable power. Use a working cable, a good power adapter, and a wall outlet instead of a weak USB port. If the iPad turns on, shows the Apple logo, then shuts off again, keep it connected and don't keep pressing buttons again and again. Step 2. Force restart your iPad. The next fix is a force restart. This does not erase your data. It only forces the iPad to shut down and start again when the system is stuck. If your iPad does not have a home button, press and quickly release the volume button closest to the top button. Then press and quickly release the other volume button. Then hold the top button until the Apple logo appears. If your iPad has a home button, hold the home button and the top button together until you see the Apple logo. Apple lists these button steps for restarting iPads that are frozen or stuck. Step 3. Remove accessories. If the iPad still keeps restarting, remove anything connected to it. Take off the keyboard case, USB-C hub, memory card reader, charger, headphones, or any other accessory. A faulty accessory can sometimes cause power or connection problems. After removing everything, turn the iPad on again and check if it stays on. If it works normally after you remove one accessory, that accessory or cable may be the real problem. Step 4. Check for heat. Now check the iPad body. If it feels very hot, leave it in a cool place and let it rest. Do not put it in a freezer or near direct cold air. Just let it cool naturally. Also check for signs of damage, bending, a swollen screen, liquid damage, or a loose charging port. If the iPad turns off even with enough battery, or the battery percentage jumps from high to low, the battery or internal hardware may be weak. Step 5. Update iPadOS. If your iPad stays on long enough, update it. Open Settings, go to General, then Software Update. Install the latest available iPadOS update. A software bug can cause random restarts, and updates often include fixes for stability and security. Make sure the iPad has enough battery and is connected to Wi-Fi before you start. Step 6. Delete recently installed apps. If the problem started after you installed a new app or after an app update, remove that app and test the iPad again. A broken app usually should not restart the whole iPad, but it can freeze the system or cause repeated crashes, especially if the iPad is already low on storage or running an older iPadOS version. Delete the app, restart the iPad, and see if the issue stops. Step 7. Free up storage. Low storage can also make your iPad unstable. Go to Settings, then General, then iPad Storage. If your storage is almost full, delete unused apps, large videos, old downloads, and files you do not need. Try to keep some free space available so iPadOS can work properly. After freeing storage, restart the iPad and check if it still turns on and off. Step 8. Restore as a last step. If Update does not work, the next option is Restore. But be careful, restoring your iPad erases its data and installs the latest iPadOS version. Only do this if you already have a backup or you accept that your data may be removed. Apple clearly states that restoring with a computer removes the device's information and settings.